Hello guys, and what's up everybody? Hope you've been fine. It's been a minute, and yes, I'm back again with another house tour, a very interesting house tour that is located in Ngong town, on your way to Olepolo. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed, kindly consider on hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Tell me what you think about this video, and in case you have any house tour you'd want me to document, you can also leave your comment and I'll get back to you.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
So guys, this is our entrance, and you can see your mlango. It's not just an ordinary door. And after the entrance, you have this seat. Okay, ask me why they have been wrapped, guys. It's because they are new. And yes, so after that seat, here is another couch. It's a 3-seater. So sijui mbona bado aja unwrap zingine, but yes, hiyo ndio situation. So immediately after that seat, bado we go hapo, we still have others that have been wrapped, and then from there, let me go back this way. So from there we come here, you have another 1-seater. So here you're unwrapped. Then I want us to go to the screen, guys. Hallelujah. So here is the screen. Aki sijui kama hii simu inaifanyia justice. This is a 65-inch TV. It's so big, it's so huge. Ile kitu iko hapa hata hakuna justice. So from there, hapa chini akona the Wi-Fi and then the hoofers. Na chini akona a place where he has placed it. Actually, the owner of this house is a he, and he's very single. He's a bachelor, guys. So kama mnataka, mnaweza pia comment hapo chini. So from the sitting area, niwape an overview. Okay, so that's an overview of the whole sitting area. Mi niko tu hapo kwa TV, hapo ndio umeniacha. You can see that's how it is. So from the sitting area, you come, then on your right side is your kitchen area. So the first thing is this counter space area, and here you have your curtains. They're kind of gray in color. So yeah, that's how they are. Then next here you have where you place your utensils, that is after you have cleaned them. And then hapa bado kuna extra storage area, the sufurias and all that stuff. Then hapa mmeona hapa mwisho kuna juicer. Mimi sijui kama ni juicer ama ni blender, but yes, hiyo ndio iko. And kuna blender pia, kuna kajuice, kuna microwave. Up here is storage area. And then can you confirm, is this really a bachelor? Si bachelor amejituma. Hiyo yote ndio iko. Yeah, that's how it is. So that's the storage there. Hapo akona mayai, kuna sockets. Then from that side, here there's this gas, and up there is that 2-burner cooker. And then next you have your toaster, ama the toaster. Hapo tu mnaona zile vitu ziko hapo, si vitu za kuona sana. Kuna oats, kuna heater. So huku tu ni extra storage area. Pia huko juu, you can see. And then on this other side, so here is where the fridge is supposed to be, but hajafika hapo bado, but he will get there very soon. So pia huko juu ni extra storage area. So that's it for the kitchen. Let me just give you an overview of how it is. Okay, hiyo mlango ina lead to the balcony area, but I'll show you the last because there are people out there. So hapo ndio nitaonyesha ya mwisho. So from there, mnakumbuka hapa ndio tulianzia our entrance. We go straight. But before we get there, hapa ndio kuna the water bottle. So we continue. And here kuna to the right and to the left. So we start with the right side. Ukikuja tuende tu straight. This is the guest room. Guest room, guys. So kuna that extra mattresses. Kuna closet. Hapo nyuma yake ndio closet ziko. So from there, kuna hiyo ni kitanda. Hivyo ndio iko. Then huku, meet this guy. Hey. These are things that he has bought. Yeah, new dining set. This is a dining set. So hapa kuna table, hii ni a sitting area. Pia hii ni another table ya sitting area. And then kuna viti, kuna stools. They are new and guys, they are brand. Okay, so from there, we have our wash room. So this is the washroom. So ukiingia, there is that. And then on top there, guys, yeah, that's me, guys. So you have that. Okay, what's on your light? So that's the mirror right over there. Then from there, you know, your toilet seat, and then the shower cubicle area. Then we head straight. So tumetoka side ya the first room and the wash area. So now this is his room, guys. It's a master ensuite and he is very single. So tuanze na kitanda. Unaona bado haja unwrap because it's a ni brand bed ama nitaita aje, sitaita designer but it's brand. Hey, the comfy, okay, acha nisiseme the comfortness of it mseme, but yes, I have sat on this bed. It's a spring bed and it's very comfortable, and the mattress too. So ndio hiyo, I guess it's a 4x6. Then from the bed area tuende the other side, kuna closet. Unaona hizo closet zote, guys, trust me, they are full. Unaona all that space. So guys, that has been it for this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribe. Again, subscribe tafadhali, wahala sijui nyinyi mnangoja. So we are road to 1,000 subscribers and I know we are going to get there as soon as possible. Thank you guys and see you on our next video.